Hi everyone, welcome to HNS Physics. This is your Narasimha. In the previous class, we studied about terms related to spherical lenses. Actually, I am doing videos on based upon 10th class physics chapters. So that's why all my dear students and my dear friends, watch complete video. After watch the video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Especially my dear students, watch complete video and share to your friends. Right? Today in this class, I am going to explain rules for ray diagrams of spherical lenses. First, we have to discuss rules for ray diagrams of convex lens. So, right here I am taking a convex lens, or you can take symbol. So, this is the convex lens symbol, right? This is the optic center F1 and 2F1. This is the F2 and 2F2. Right? If any ray of light initially passes parallel to the principal axis. If any ray of light initially passes parallel to the principal axis. So after refraction, the refractor ray pass through first principal focus of the lens. After the refraction, the refractor ray passes first principal focus of the lens. So this is the first rule. Next, come to second rule. So here again I am taking convex lens. This is the convex lens symbol. Optic center F1, 2F1, F2 and 2F2. Right? Here, if any ray of light initially passes second principal of focus of the lens, that means your ray is passing second principal focus of lens, right? Here the ray is incident on the lens. After the refraction, the refractor ray passes parallel to the principal axis. Listen now once again. If any ray of light coming from object, that rays passes second principal focus of the lens. The ray is incident on convex lens. After the refraction, that refractor ray is passes parallel to the principal axis. Next, come to third one. Third rule. So this is the convex lens, principal axis. So F1 and 2F1. So this is F2 and 2F2. Right. This is the optic center. Right. Here, if any ray of light is passes through optic center, if any ray of light initially passes through optic center, after the refraction, the ray emerges without any deviation. After the refraction, the ray emerges from the lens without any deviation. That means the ray travel in the form of a straight line. Even after the refraction also, the ray does not deviate from its actual path. So these are the rules of ray diagrams of convex lens. By using of these rules, three rules, we can draw the ray diagrams of convex lens. Come to second lens, that is a concave lens. Now we have to discuss rules for ray diagrams of concave lens. So let's start here. So I am taking here concave lens. So this is the symbol of concave lens. So this is the optic center. So here it is a F1 and 2F1, F2 and 2f. Right? Here, if any ray of light passing parallel to the principal axis, if any ray of light here passing parallel to the principal axis, that means a ray is coming from the object, that ray passes parallel to the principal axis. So after the refraction, that refractor ray appears. After the refraction, the refractor ray appears to be diverge from first principal focus of the lens. First principal focus of the lens. So once again listen ma, if any ray of light passes parallel to the principal axis, so after the refraction, the refractor ray appears diverge first principal focus of the lens. The ray appears diverging from first principle of focus of the lens. So this is the first rule. Next come to second rule. Here again I am taking here concave lens. So this is the optic center, right? So this is the f2 and 2f2 and f1, 2f1. Right? Here the ray passing in the direction of second principal focus of the lens. The ray is passing in the direction of second principal focus of the lens. After the refraction, the refractor ray passes parallel to the principal axis. Once again listen, here ray is coming in the direction of second principal focus of the lens, right? After the refraction, the refractor ray passes parallel to the principal axis, right? So this is the second rule. Next come to third rule. So here I am taking again concave lens. This is the concave lens symbol. So optic center f1 and 2f1, and this is the f2 and 2f2. Right? Here the ray is passing through optic center. The ray is passing through optic center from the concave lens. So after the refraction, the ray emerges from the lens, from the concave lens, without any deviation. That means the ray passes like a straight line. Once again listen, if any ray of light is passing through optical center of concave lens, after the refraction, the refractor ray emerges without any deviation. So these are the three rules for ray diagrams of concave lens. By using of these three rules, we can draw the ray diagrams of concave lenses. Right? For more videos, for more information, follow my HNS physics classes. Thank you for everyone.